Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Andy back with another video. So today I'm going to show you real quick a installation that I just did on my Acura TL, and it's a dash cam that I just installed. It's a dual camera system where it shows the outward view and also the inside view of the cabin. It has an infrared system where it actually will see movement inside. So it's it's not gonna be clear, but it will see people talking and see the inside of your cabin. So the model here, it's a Rexing Dashcam. So it has a built-in Wi-Fi and it has a built-in GPS. So you want to look at a GPS enabled dashcam because of one thing, mainly because it records the speed of your car. So let's say if you get into like a situation where a cop pulled you over and he's saying that you're going like 80 miles per hour, let's say, even though that's kind of quick, you can just say I was doing the speed limit of like 70 or something like that, whatever your speed limit is. So you can also show them the video, and in court, you most likely you'll probably win. So that's the main reason. Also, the time, since it's work on GPS, you really don't have to reset the time, because I've seen other dash cams on the market where it doesn't have a GPS and it loses the actual time of your dash cam, and you always have to reset it all the time. So this one is in my CRV, so I'm very familiar with this system. It has a 2.7-inch screen. It's basically high definition recording, wide angle, and it loop records. It says here it does support up to 256 gigabyte of storage, and you do also have to download an app. It's a Rexing app. You can see here it's available in the Apple Store and Google Play. So you can do that. Basically view your videos from the app, and also has a super capacitor, like I said. So it does have a battery, so the battery will not overheat. So it does have a parking mode, but for me, I think I don't like that as much, because it does drain out your battery if you have a parking mode. Even though they said it cuts off at certain voltage, but I'd rather have security where I'm not gonna have my battery be dead when trying to start my car or something like that. So for me, when the car starts on, the actual dash cam starts on. So I'm going to start it real quick. Here, so it goes on and it starts recording right away. So once I shut it off, it actually turns off. So that's how I set it up. And I'm going to show you the hardwire connection real quick. Bottom of the car. So I know you can see here, this is the fuse box. So basically you have to find a fuse where if your car comes on, the battery or the power will come on as with it, and when it shuts off, it'll shut off automatically. So you have to find one of those fuses. So that's how I had it connected, and yeah, it's not going to drain the battery. So that's how I have it connected in my car. So that's my setup. So I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys, and please like and subscribe to my videos, and I'm gonna try to do more content. And there's tons of reviews out there on this camera, so you can actually view them. So I just wanted to tell you guys a quick overview of it. All right, until the next video, thank you, bye.